Good morning, students. Today we are going to see cash flow statement past examination questions. I hope you have completed your cash flow statements for batch number 5 sessions. And now this is batch number 6 in which we are going to solve past year questions. I already explained you the difference between direct method and indirect method. Direct method is only for operating activity and indirect method is also for operating activity. Direct method, we directly focus on collection from debtors, payment to creditors, payment of expenses. And indirect method, we first start with the net profit, and net profit then we eliminate. So net profit, we are starting point. After that, we are going to calculate operating accrued profit. And from operating accrued profit, we are focusing on operating cash profit. So this is the difference between direct method and indirect method. So indirect method, we go in the reverse way. So reverse way, we are trying to reach at operating cash profit. So this is called as indirect method. Friends, our traditional approach talks about traditional approach: debit the debtor, credit the creditor, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debtor becomes giver, creditor becomes receiver. Is a personal account, real account debit what comes in, credit what goes out, and nominal account debit all expenses and losses, credit on incomes and gains. In last session, I already explained you about expenses and income pro forma. Expenses pro forma is to prepaid by payable to cash, and by P&L. And in case of income pro forma, to receivable by received in advance, to received in advance by cash, and to P&L. So this is a quick revision. Here we need many calculations for leisure calculations we required. So here fixed asset account, debit plus credit minus, to balance brought down to bank by accumulated depreciation or by depreciation, by bank or by for selling price, and by loss on sale or to profit on sale, and by balance carried down. Accumulated depreciation pro forma will be by balance brought down, then by depreciation to asset in case of sold, discarded or scrap, and to balance carried down is a pro forma of the accumulated depreciation. So friends, here we started with direct method and indirect method. So good morning to all of you. चलो जल्दी से कमेंट सेक्शन में जल्दी से आप लोग बता दीजिए गुड मॉर्निंग. वेरी गुड. चलिए. So good morning to all of you. Yes, मोहम्मद असलम जी, गोमती जी, आलोक शिवलानी, yes, very good बेटा. हर्षित जायसवाल, good morning बेटा. हर्षिता, गुड मॉर्निंग. ज्योति, सपना, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. बाकी के बच्चे अभी भी ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं. सो अभिषेक पांडे, नैनेश, आनंद जी, तानिया पवार एंड अरुण शिंदे, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. जल्दी से ज्वाइन हो जाइए. वेटिंग फॉर यूर प्रेजेंस बेटा. गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. So now today I'm going to take all these questions, cash flow statement. In May 2017, you got one question based on foreign exchange. Okay, foreign exchange, we are going to cover it in the accounting standard 11, that is in the branch accounts. Already we covered foreign exchange in case of integral operation versus non-integral operation. Sunday we have session beta in the evening for incomplete records. So please watch your revised schedule. So Sunday को थोड़ा सा हमें काम करना पड़ेगा because we are getting 2 Sundays for incomplete records. Okay, तो incomplete records या हम लोग cash flow statement उस दिन खत्म करेंगे, and Monday को हम लोग will start with incomplete records. तो cash flow statement खत्म करके Monday and next Sunday that we will keep for incomplete records. तो बीच में अपना ब्रेक नहीं होगा पूरा का पूरा कोई भी बड़ा सेशन. तो संडे को शाम को हम लोग कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट खत्म करेंगे एंड इनकम्प्लीट रिकॉर्ड्स शुरू कर देंगे मंडे को. गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. अब्दुल, रेनू गुड मॉर्निंग, खुशी गुड मॉर्निंग, कविता वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा, एंड पार्थ सारथी जी गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू. सो explain the meaning and terms of cash and cash equivalent for the purpose of cash flow statement. So what do you mean by cash and cash equivalent? Ruby Export had a bank balance of $25,000. See, it is a $25,000 stated in the books 16,76,250. So this is the rate at which you recorded 67.05 prevailing on the date of receipt of dollars. However, on the balance sheet date, the closing rate is 67.8. Okay, so there is a gain, beta. There is a gain. and bank balance stood rupees 16,95,000. So 16,95,000 minus 16,76,250. So 18,750 is a gain. What is the gain, beta? 18,750. Correct. So 18,750 is a gain. Comment on the effect of change in the bank balance due to exchange rate. Okay. So your bank balance is increasing. So what is the entry will be? Bank balance ka balance increase hoga to exchange gain. Now what to do? Now this entry is very simple. Now there is my exchange gain. So this is my profit. So exchange gain ko credit hota hai and bank balance is getting increased. So comment on the effect. Change in the bank balance due to exchange rate fluctuation, and also discuss how it will be disclosed in the cash flow statement according to accounting standard 3 is very simple question. Okay. So there is increase in my bank balance due to exchange gain, not due to because my dollars are increasing. No. Dollars are same. The question is, sir, bank balance is increasing. Yes. I will tell you. Now, what is cash and cash equivalent? See, the definition is very simple. 5 marks ka question, the cash in hand and deposits repayable on demand. So, beta, this is your saving account or current account. Normally, we do not have saving account in case of business with any bank or other financial information institution. Cash equivalent means short-term, highly liquid investments that are readily convertible into known amount of cash. Readily convertible means highly liquid. Liquid means what? Short-term funds. Okay, liquid matlab cash. Liquid का meaning होता है cash में convert होना. So liquid investments that are readily convertible into cash. So cash and cash equivalent subject to insignificant risk and or change in the value. On the foreign exchange fluctuation, so 18,750 is a foreign exchange fluctuation. The foreign currency monetary assets and liabilities are initially recognized by translating into them reporting currency by the rate of exchange transaction date. So what is the important point? Initially recognized on the transaction date. Okay. Foreign currency monetary item. Now what is monetary item? Very simple. Monetary item means where denomination is fixed, beta. Denomination is fixed. Okay. Where you know it's exactly $25,000, it is not going to change the balance sheet value, then it is determinable. Okay. So when asset is exactly determinable, it is called as monetary item. Non-monetary item means balance sheet value and today's value are different. Okay, it is called as non-monetary. In simple language, बैलेंस शीट की जो बैलेंस शीट के डॉलर्स है वही आपकी आज के डॉलर्स होंगे तो उसको मॉनेटरी आइटम बोलते हैं. इट्स अ फिक्स. ओके, तो उसको हम लोग मॉनेटरी आइटम बोलते हैं. On the balance sheet date, there are restated using rate of exchange on the balance sheet date. The difference in the value is called as exchange gain or loss. Okay. So if there is a change in the value, so see on the transaction date, it will be 16,76,250, but on the balance sheet date, it is recorded at 16,95,000. So whatever the difference on the balance sheet date and इनिशियल रिकॉर्ड डेट, तो जिस दिन आपने इनिशियली रिकॉर्ड किया था उस दिन का रेट था 16,76,250 और जिस दिन आपने बैलेंस शीट बनाया उस दिन $25,000 की वैल्यू हो गई 16,95,000. सो सर वहां पे 18,750 से हमारा क्या हो गया? प्रॉफिट बढ़ चुका है. एक्सचेंज गेन और लॉस. द एक्सचेंज गेन एंड लॉसेस आर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इन द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट और लॉस एज पर S11. सर प्रॉफिट और लॉस एज पर S11 उसको बोलते हैं. सो S11 के हिसाब से ये कौन से वैल्यू पे रिकॉर्ड होता है? तो प्रॉफिट और लॉस as per S11 इतना याद रखिए. Okay, sir, we got this concept. The exchange gain or loss in respect of cash and cash equivalent in foreign currency are recognized in the principal amount and the balances are restated in the balance sheet date in the reporting currency at the rate of exchange on the balance sheet date. Okay. So exchange gain और losses ये आपके कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट के अंदर ही एडजस्ट किया जाता है. The change in cash or cash equivalent due to exchange gain or losses are not, however, not cash flows. This being so, the net increase or decrease in cash or cash equivalent in cash flow statement are stated exclusive of exchange gain. Now, it's very, very important. The net increase or decrease in cash or cash equivalent in the cash flow statement are stated exclusively, sir, only for cash and cash equivalent के लिए आप ये exchange gain, exchange loss और gain को ignore करते हैं. Okay. But resultant difference between cash and cash equivalent as per cash flow statement and that recognized in the balance sheet is reconciled in the note ऑफ कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट इन द कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. तो बेटा आप लोग सिर्फ अभी मतलब एक्सचेंज गेन को पी एंड एल को डेबिट क्रेडिट नहीं करते हो. ठीक है. इन केस ऑफ एक्सचेंज गेन ऑन बैंक बैलेंस, इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली सपोज एक्सचेंज गेन. नाउ सी एक्सचेंज गेन और लॉस ऑन बैंक बैलेंस एंड अदर्स. बैंक बैलेंस में हुआ तो नो इफेक्ट इन पी एंड एल स्टेटमेंट, मतलब नो इफेक्ट ऑफ पी एंड एल स्टेटमेंट. ओके. नो इफेक्ट ऑफ मीन्स एक्सचेंज गेन you are but obvious you are going to record it in the P&L account. Okay. See means P&L account को क्या होगा, अभी देखो यहां पे क्या हुआ, P&L account को by exchange gain हुआ this 18,750 something and our bank balance ये भी इंक्रीज हुआ 18,750 से. अभी यही सपोज डेटर्स होता, डेटर्स. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ बैंक बैलेंस यहां पे डेटर्स इंक्रीज डिक्रीज हुआ रहता. एक्सचेंज गेन P&L के क्रेडिट में. हाँ. नाउ सो ये जो बैंक बैलेंस है इसका P&L स्टेटमेंट का कुछ भी इफेक्ट देना नहीं है. ओनली रिको इज शोन इन नोट्स. ओके. एंड अदर्स होते थे तो इफेक्ट ऑफ P&L डिपेंड्स ऑन डायरेक्ट मेथड, इनडायरेक्ट मेथड. इनडायरेक्ट मेथड में हमने लेस किया रहता, इनडायरेक्ट मेथड में हमने लेस किया रहता और डायरेक्ट मेथड में हमने इसको इग्नोर किया रहता. ओके. सो इफेक्ट ऑफ P&L. तो बेटा ये if in case of bank balance, suppose if there is a foreign exchange gain or loss in bank balance, we never record this. Okay. But we ignore them in cash balance, means our original cash balance will only we will consider. Okay. Original cash balance only we will consider and no effect in the bank balance. So original मतलब कितना जो हमने 16,76,250 इसी से हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट में. और सिर्फ हमने नीचे रिको बता दिया रहता कि 18,750 से हमारा इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज बैलेंस हो रहा है करके. बस इससे ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं किया रहता. सो हियर रिमेंबर यहां पे रिको इज शोन इन द नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स, मीन हमने नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स में ये बता दिया रहता कि हमारा फॉरेन एक्सचेंज गेन हो चुका है. बट इसका इफेक्ट हम लोगों ने ना P&L में का दिया रहता, ना डायरेक्ट मेथड में, ना इनडायरेक्ट मेथड में. अभी आई विल शो यू इन द एग्जांपल्स कि हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू इम्पैक्ट. सो इतना ही नोट आपको एग्जाम में लिखना है. जस्ट यू हैव टू मेंशन दिस. सो राइट डाउन दिस सेंटेंस. एक्सचेंज गेन्स इन केस ऑफ बैंक बैलेंस, बैंक बैलेंस का कुछ भी इफेक्ट देना नहीं है. नो इफेक्ट ऑफ P&L स्टेटमेंट. ओके. इन कैश फ्लो, हाँ बेटा, इन सीएफएस में कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट में नो इफेक्ट ऑफ P&L स्टेटमेंट. नो इफेक्ट ऑफ P&L स्टेटमेंट. डाउन. No effect in P&L statement of P&L statement in CFS. Yes, over. Understood or not understood? Yes, understood or not understood? पहला ही क्वेश्चन बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट था. कुछ डाउट्स है तो बोल दीजिए, बिकॉज दिस इज डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है बेटा. इट्स नॉट वेरी सिंपल और नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन नहीं है. सो बैंक बैलेंस का इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज. बेटा अदर केस में कैसे करते हैं दैट आई विल शो यू हर्षित. बाकी केस में कैसे करते हैं दैट आई विल शो यू. बट फॉर बैंक बैलेंस वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड इट. ओके. बाकी केसेस में क्या करते हैं आई विल टेल यू इन द क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग पार्ट. But this question not in the study material, cash and cash equivalent. So first question, mark it as IMP1, May 2017 question. Mark it as IMP1. ठीक है, चलिए. So same question आया तो you can write it. Answer is very easy. In case of exchange gain or loss in bank balance के case में we just have to write it in the notes to accounts. Reconciliation. So reconciliation we have to write. Otherwise we do not have to write it in the beta effect of P&L. We don't have to give. Yes. Second वाला illustration number 1 है. So I'm going to ask you this question now. So can you tell me, please, 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 fast. Now this is a quick revision of your question answers. So जल्दी से बताइए which activity. जल्दी से you have to just write it in बड़ा comment section. Every one of you will write it. चलो चलो जल्दी बताओ. एक ही साथ आंसर भेजिए, ग्रुप ग्रुप में मत भेजिए. First one, loan and advances given to the following and interest earned on them. So suppliers and employees, it is operating activity, operating activity. To subsidiary company, but it is investing activity. Investment made in subsidiary company and dividend received, investment investing activity. Dividend paid, financing activity. TDS on interest income earned on investment made. So TDS is also investment activity, and TDS on interest earned on advances given to supplier, it is better operating activity. And insurance claim, it is extraordinary item, abnormal item, so it is called as extraordinary activity and shown separately. Extraordinary activity and shown separately in the investing activity, because it's a property, plant and equipment. Okay, it's a property, plant and equipment, extraordinary activity and shown separately. Okay, over. So this answer is very simple. Very good. So now let's move to next question. Okay. Please don't open that answer book, beta. Please don't open that answer book. Here we are going to revise these answers. So it's my request to all of you. Don't open that answer book. Okay. चलिए मई 2013 का क्वेश्चन करते हैं. 8 marks question. Total sales for the year. Now we do not have any other option here. We have to solve it by direct method. So आपको ये direct method से ही solve करना है. For practice purpose, I'm going to give it in the writing. These answers I'm going to give it in the writing. Total sales for the year were 199 crores, out of which cash sales is 131. So this is operating activity. Cash collection from the credit customer. So collection from the customer 67 crores is a operating activity. 199 is to confuse us. So 199 किधर भी नहीं आएगा, because it's a total sales accrual concept and we are focusing on the cash concept. Cash paid to suppliers, it is again operating activity. आपका negative इसमें आएगा. Then fully paid preference shares of the face value of 16 crores were redeemed, and equity shares of the face value of 16 crores were allotted as the premium at a premium of 25%. तो 16 crores जो है वो आपका फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में आउटफ्लो हो जाएगा 16 करोड़, एंड ये 16 प्लस 25%, सो दिस इज 25%, 20 करोड़ से आपका इनफ्लो हो जाएगा फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में. 13 crores paid by way of income tax. So beta, this is deduction from the operating activity, income tax paid. So you are aware about the pro forma. Next one, machine of the book value 21 crores was sold at a loss of 30 lakhs. So 30 lakhs is a 0.3. So 21 minus 0.3. So you are getting beta answer. ये कितना आया आपका सेल ऑफ मशीन. यस, ये बराबर है ना 20.7 ना. सो 20.7 ये आपका इनफ्लो होगा इन इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी एंड 40 करोड़ का आउटफ्लो होगा इन द इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी. सो परचेस ऑफ न्यू मशीन. डिवेंचर इंटरेस्ट पेड 1 करोड़. सो 1 करोड़ का फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में माइनस करोगे, इट इज एन आउटफ्लो फाइनेंसिंग में. एंड डिविडेंड 10 करोड़ was paid on this. So 10 crores plus 17.647%. So 10 plus 17.647%. So 11.76. 11.76 ये हमारा होगा. And on 31st March, balance with the bank is 9 crores. 2012. So this is the opening balance. This is the opening balance. And you just have to find out closing cash equivalent. What do you have to find out? Closing cash and cash equivalent and net increase or decrease from that. Okay. Chalo. So it's very simple question. Only for your beta practice purpose, I am going to give you the answer of this question. Okay. Practice के लिए मैं सिर्फ इसका आंसर दे रहा हूं. So write down. Dash 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 limited. Cash flow statement for the year ended 31st March 2013. Serial number, particulars, rupees, draw fast. A, cash flow from operating activities. After 6 lines, write down income tax paid, net cash generated, from operating activities. It is only for practice purpose, beta. This is the illustration, May 2013. Third question, May 2013. Now you can write below itself, beta. I will write here. Assume this is my next page. B, cash flow from investing activities. After 6 lines, write down, or after 5 lines, cash flow from financing activities. After 4 lines, 5 lines, beta, after 5, 6 lines, net cash and net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent. Cash and cash equivalent at the beginning. F, cash and cash equivalent at the end. Cash and cash equivalent at the end. Draw fast. Format ready. So beta, now just put down these figures. Chalo, just put down these figures and tell me answer, beta. Please. Now you have exactly format ready है. अभी आपका काम है. I am giving you exactly 5 minutes. Put down all these figures. चलो, so start करते हैं. मैं भी लिखता हूं आपके साथ. Cash sales. Cash sales 131 inflow. Rupees in crores. Cash sales के बाद collection from debtors, collection from debtors, $67. Paid to supplier and employees, $159. Negative beta, we paid it. So negative $159. Redemption of in financing activity, redemption of preference share capital, inner column, 16 crores. Issue of equity share capital, 20 crores. Sale of machine, $20.7. Purchase of machine beta bracket में outflow less 40 crores. Debenture interest paid outflow $1 crore and dividend paid $11.76. इनकम टैक्स पेड रहेगा या 13 crores. $67 minus $159. 39 minus 13. 26. 20.7 minus 40. 19.3. 20 minus 1. 1.76 minus 16. Negative 8.76. Okay. $26 plus 19.3 minus 8.76. $26 minus 19.3. It's negative 2.06. 6.94 is the cash equivalent at the end. So 6.94 is the correct answer. Easy. Maximum time 8 minutes. Format 3 minutes. Beta format 3 minutes and yes, 6.94. ठीक है. Now everyone understood it. Beta, you have not tried these questions, na? You have not tried these questions, correct? Eh? Tell me, have you tried all these questions or you are going to solve it with me only? Chalo. Yes. Now I'm going to explain you this question and you will get exactly 10 minutes to solve. So 10 मिनट में आपको पूरा solve करना है and I will show you the answer. ठीक है? So मैं आपको आंसर बताएगा. First I will explain you totally. Okay? Sales amounted to rupees 135 crores and 60% was cash sales. So 135 into 60%. So 81. 81 ये आपका ऑपरेटिंग में आएगा and 40% is a credit sales. So 40%, 54 credit sales and now credit sales are related to debtors. So इधर आप लोग sales लिख सकते हो. Debtors को कितना sales किया? 54 sales. Okay. Purchases 55 crores. So 55 का 20% in operating activity, outflow, operating activity and 80% credit. So 55 का 80% बोले तो 44 credit purchases and 11 is your creditor, cash paid. Okay. 11 आपका cash paid होगा. So here I will write creditors में credit purchases कितना था? 44. Administrative expenses 18 crores paid negative and salary paid 22 crores negative. Operating activity. Both are operating activity. Company redeemed debentures 20 crores at a premium of 10%. So 20 crores plus 10% premium. So 22 crores, beta, 22 crores is your financing outflow. And debenture holders issued 16 crores. Okay, no. So 15 crores का ये आपका towards redemption. So बेटा it is exchange. So इसका CFS में कोई संबंध नहीं है. And 7 crores आपका outflow में आएगा. कितना आएगा? 7 crores outflow. कितना आएगा? 7 crores outflow in the financing activity. Not 22 crores. 22 crores में से 15 crore exchange and 7 crores का outflow. Then issued equity shares balance was paid. Okay. Interest paid, financing activity outflow. Financing activity outflow. Dividend paid 10 crores, financing activity outflow and dividend distribution tax 22 crores extra. So 10 plus 2, 12 crores. Dividend distribution cost. Okay. But we have to show it separately. Investing costing rupees. बेटा दिस इज आउटफ्लो था. दोनों भी आउटफ्लो है ये. Investing costing rupees 12 crores were sold at a profit of 2.4 crores. So beta 14.4 inflow or in investing activity. 8 crores income tax paid outflow. A new plant 21 crores was purchased in part of exchange of old plant. The book value of old plant is 12 crores, but vendor took at the agreed value of 10 crores. So बेटा 21 में से 10 crore exchange. ओके, सो इसका कुछ भी इंपैक्ट नहीं आएगा. 11 करोड़ ये आपका इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में आउटफ्लो दिखेगा. इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में 11 करोड़ ये आपका आउटफ्लो दिखेगा. इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में आउटफ्लो दिखेगा. Okay. And now last one. Now beta debtors. Now you know the pro forma of debtors. Debtors का opening balance था 45, closing balance 50, two sales, two sales 54. So by cash. Now by cash is a balancing figure. So by cash means operating activity में received from debtors 45 plus 54 minus 50. So beta 49 is by cash. Operating activity में collection from debtors 49 आएगा. And payment to creditors 21, 23, and by purchase કેટલો છે 44. So two cash payment to creditors 21 plus 44 minus 23, you will get the answer 42. 42 is a payment to creditors. So collection कितना? Collection आया 49 operating activity and payment कितना? 42 outflow operating activity. So this is your question. 10 मिनट में सॉल्व करना है. You have to find out bank balance, closing balance. Same question. Everything is given beta. November 2014, but 6 marks similar to May 2013. So you have to solve it. चलो जल्दी से solve कीजिए and I will show you the answer. Proper format में 10 मिनट दे रहा हूं. 10 मिनट है आपके पास. Don't miss the practice session, हाँ बेटा. Request to all of you, don't miss this practice session. बोला मैंने लिखने को तो लिखिए 10 मिनट में अच्छे से लिखिए एग्जाम स्पीड से. चलो, so tell me the answer. ज्ञानेश, कितना आया कैश बैलेंस? योर करेक्ट आंसर इज यस. Correct answer is 17.9. Let's check the answer. First one, 60%, 81 is your inflow. 81 plus 49. 81 cash sales and 49 is receipt from debtors. Correct. Then purchases, 11 outflow and 42 outflow. 11 cash purchase and payment to creditors 42. Correct. Administrative expenses 18 and 22. Outflow 18, 22 outflow. The company redeemed debentures 7 crores and interest paid 1.5. See, 722 में से डिवेंचर्स वेर इशूड इक्विटी शेयर्स 15 करोड़. सो 22 करोड़ पेमेंट करना था. 15 करोड़ एक्सचेंज and 7 crores you paid it in cash plus 1.5. So 7 outflow and 1.5 redemption of debentures. IMP था ये. Fourth one, dividend paid 10 plus 2. Financing activity 10 plus 2 outflow. Investment sold at 14.4. So investment, sale of investment 14.4. 8 crores income tax paid. 8 crores income tax paid. Okay. Income tax separate head. A new plant costing 21 crores. उसमें से 10 exchange and 11 crores paid to vendor. Yes. So over with all adjustments. Okay. So many of you got the wrong answer. $81 plus 49 minus 11 minus 42 minus 18 minus 22. So 37. It's correct. Minus 8, 29. Correct. Here 14.4 minus 11, 3.4. And 7 plus 1.5 plus 10 plus 2. Okay. 20.5 negative. So 3.4 and 29. 11.9 is net increase or decrease. Cash equivalent at the beginning 6. So 6 plus 11.9, 17.9 is my correct answer. Yes, answers already sent kiye hai. Debtors and creditors you can open pro forma. Chalo, one more question we are going to take and then we'll take a break. एक और क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. May 15. असाइनमेंट में क्वेश्चंस नहीं दिए हैं. असाइनमेंट में क्वेश्चंस नहीं दिए हुए ऐसा बोला जा रहा है। असाइनमेंट में बेटा टेल मी, असाइनमेंट में यू डू नॉट हैव क्वेश्चंस? असाइनमेंट में यू डू नॉट हैव क्वेश्चंस बेटा? November 15 बेटा, November 15 प्रिपेयर कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट। टेल मी असाइनमेंट में क्वेश्चंस है या नहीं है? अच्छा, देयर आर टू फाइल्स, वन इज फॉर क्वेश्चन एंड वन इज फॉर आंसर। है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। चलो लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। November 15 is same as illustration number 3. Harshit? Chalo. So as a practice, you have to solve this. As a practice, you have to solve. Just first focus, prepare cash flow statement. Though it is in the study material, we are going to solve it as a practice. Okay? Time लगा के करना है आपको। Company sold goods for cash. GP ratio 30%. So GP ratio से sales निकाला। Sales is equal to 3,82,500 divided by 30%. So 12,75,000 operating activity. Opening inventory less than closing inventory to confuse us, because this is not indirect method, this is direct method. Okay. Wages paid outflow. Office expenses paid outflow, operating activity. Dividend paid, financing activity outflow. Bank loan paid, financing activity outflow. Trade payable balance to confuse us. Amount paid to trade creditors, because beta this is not indirect method, this is direct method. So trade payable to confuse us था. Opening stock का भी third point भी to confuse us था. Next one. Outflow, operating activity, amount paid to trade payable. Tax paid 65,000. Provision for tax to confuse us. It is separate head outflow. Investment 7 lakh sold for a profit. 7,20,000 investing activity inflow. Depreciation to confuse us. Plant and machinery purchase, investing activity outflow. But in this question, many transactions are to confuse us. Okay, many transactions are for to confuse us. So write down over here direct method. ये कौन सी method थी? Direct method. So direct method है. Yes, you have exactly 20 minutes. 8:25 को हम लोग वापस मिलेंगे। 8:25 आफ्टर ब्रेक भी एंड ये आंसर भी। सो November 15 यू हैव टू ट्राई। एंड डायरेक्ट मेथड ये आईसीआई ने दिया है। चलो, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं सॉल्व करवाऊंगा आपके साथ। वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन आईसीआई पूछती थी आपको। November 15, चलो ट्राई इट। यस, वी विल टेक अ ब्रेक and we will meet at 8:25. ओके 8:25 आगे के क्वेश्चंस एंड दिस आंसर. सो एवरीवन प्लीज कंप्लीट इट विद इन 10 मिनट्स. टिकटिकी जी को लगा दीजिए. टिकटिकी जी को लगा दीजिए. 8:25 को मिलेंगे. Answer for question number 5. Yes. Now see the answer. You are getting cash sales. Yes, line by line. Cash sales beta. 12,75,000 cash sales. You can check the answer. Okay. So first point over, second point over. Fourth point, wages paid 490 to 500. 490 to 500 wages paid, operating activity only. Next, office and selling expenses paid 75,000, operating activity. Dividend paid, financing activity. Dividend paid, financing activity. Next, bank loan and interest 2,15,000, 2,15,000 bank loan repaid with interest. Next, trade payable paid 4,60,000. Yes, trade payable paid 4,60,000. Income tax paid 65,000, separate head. Next, investing activity 7,20,000, sale of investment. Depreciation confuse us, and plant and machinery purchase 2,50,000 negative outflow. So you are getting the answer. Let's check the answer. 1275 minus 492.5 minus 75 minus 462 47.500. Yes, minus 65. So 182,500. Correct. 720 minus 250 memory plus में 470 and 215 plus 30 memory minus में 245 memory recall 407.5. Opening and closing cash balance are given 2 lakhs and 6 lakhs 7,500. So it's matching with the answer. So decrease भी इसका भी difference you are getting this, and तीनों का total also you are getting 4,07,500. Okay, so you are getting the same answer beta. Easy था. Nanish का question है sir, if method is silent beta, method is silent, then beta if trading and P&L items are given, तो direct, indirect both are possible. Such type of questions option नहीं है. If payment and receipts are given, तो direct method, and indirect method if P&L is given in the question और reverse calculation के लिए questions होंगे, तो बेटा Nanish it's indirect method. Okay, so this is direct method. Directly wages paid is given, creditors paid is given. So बेटा accrual concept no scope in direct method. चलो हर्षित, very good बेटा. Today very happy with your performance. Yes, बहुत easy है. So beta this solving is very very important. चलो now let's solve question number November 16 का question. Last question for direct method है. Yes beta, it is just the cash book bifurcation of all these items. Yes, very good. Same question now. Same question. See, same questions are asking year after year. November 16 तक इतना easy था live. चलो fast. Total sales 398. Beta, you can check the answer. This is similar to question number See, May 2013, same question. November 2016. Only the difference is, beta, balance in creditors are also given. So this is a mixture question. Yes. You want to try or should I tell you the answer? Now this is the last question for your beta, direct method. This is the last question for direct method. Yes. Are you going to solve this or I will solve? So please tell me, मैं आपके साथ solve करूं या आप लोग कर रहे हो? We will solve. चलो चलो try best. November 16 बेटा, you have exactly 10 minutes. हाँ चलो चलो, now everyone must get the answer. 10 मिनट से आपके पास, चलो जल्दी से फॉर्मेट बनाओ फटाफट, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इनडायरेक्ट मेथड है. सो दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर डायरेक्ट मेथड. 10 मिनट है, जल्दी सॉल्व कीजिए, चलो फास्ट एवरीवन. आई विल चेक दिस आंसर 8:40 को. नहीं बेटा, होमवर्क नहीं, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी यू हैव होमवर्क. तो होमवर्क मत करो, बिकॉज यू हैव टू वॉच सम प्रीवियस रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स. सो होमवर्क में कुछ नहीं करना है. करो, इधर करो, कुछ नहीं, प्रैक्टिस होता है. डू प्रैक्टिस प्रॉपरली. चलो, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द आंसर आफ्टर 10 minutes. 3 minutes फॉर आंसर. चलो, इट्स अ प्रैक्टिस. Very simple question. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Total sales 398 crores. Cash sales 260 crores. 262. So beta 262 cash sales inflow operating activity. Please have hard copy of these questions. Receipts from credit customer during the year ended 154 crores, 134 crores. Cash collection from debtors, operating activity, again inflow. Purchases 220, opening 84, 220 is a total purchases. Credit purchases 220 into 80%, 176. And 44 is your cash purchase. So cash purchase, I will write 44. Operating activity outflow. And 84 crores, 92 crores, and 176. So what is the balancing figure? 84 plus 176 minus 92. 168 is my creditor's payment. Very good. Creditor's payment 168. 168. Supplier, we paid 19 crores in cash. Operating activity outflow. Employee, we paid 20 crores in cash. So 20 crores in cash. We paid this 20 crores in cash. So cash generated from that I will take a later. Fully paid preference shares 32 crores were redeemed. Okay, so 32 crores financing activity outflow. Yes, 32 crores. Very good. Then equity shares of the face value of 20 crores were allotted as fully paid up plus 20%. So 20 plus 20% is 24. Inflow financing activity. Inflow financing activity. And this is outflow financing activity. Okay, 24 inflow. Very good. Same questions. Debentures 20 crores at a premium of 10%. As compared to study material, you can check these questions in 2017, 18, 2019 तक बहुत आसान questions आते थे बेटा. So you can see the difference after 2019. कोरोना के बाद तो क्या questions निकल रही है ICI. अरे बाप रे. 20 crores at 10% premium. So 22. How much? Sorry. Take a second. Okay, so beta no cash flow statement because equity shares are issued. So here no cash flow statement activity. 26 crores were paid in case of income tax. 26 crores income tax paid. But I remember those days when students are normally scored more than 80 marks in accounts. Okay, such type of questions. So you can imagine in 2015-16 what was the result by institute and those students who failed in that exam. So they are very bad luck भी नहीं बोलेंगे, worst people, those who failed such type of questions बेटा वो आते थे 2016-17 में. तो यू कैन इमेजिन कि रिजल्ट कितना अच्छा था. अभी तो क्या क्वेश्चन बनाते लाला. ओके, अ न्यू मशीन कॉस्टिंग 25 crores वेर परचेस इन पार्ट एक्सचेंज ऑफ ओल्ड मशीनरी. ओल्ड मशीनरी का वैल्यू 13 crores है. निगोशिएशंस करके 15 crores में एग्री हुआ. सो 25 का तो 13 इज टू कंफ्यूज अस. 15 निगोशिएटेड वैल्यू कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट में नहीं आएगा. 10 crores वेयर टू पे इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी. इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी सर 10 crores. Purchase of plant. Investment 18 crores sold for a loss of 2 crores. 16 crores ना sir. 16 crores loss है तो minus करेगा मैं. Inflow. Investing activity. 16 inflow. Dividend totally paid 15 crores including dividend distribution tax. You can show it separately. Otherwise you can merge it. Dividend paid 15 financing activity. You can show separately dividend distribution tax and dividend. And debentures interest paid 2 crores. So financing activity 2 crores outflow. Sir, very easy. 1196 and 25. Outer figure 100 to 102. 2 crores. So 102 is a closing balance. कैसा था ये क्वेश्चन? यस, कैसे आते थे क्वेश्चंस 2016-17? वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस ना? यस. मैच विथ टाइम. वेरी गुड. 10-12 मिनट में सॉल्व कर रहे हो आप. अभी मजा आएगा. अभी मजा आएगा. अभी फोकस करो. अभी फोकस करो. चलो अभी फोकस करो. अभी थोड़ा मुश्किल क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. अभी हार्ड. यस बेटा, अभी बढ़ जाएगा. 7 नंबर का क्वेश्चन. और कुछ स्टडी मटेरियल के क्वेश्चंस पेंडिंग रहेंगे तो प्लीज टेल मी इट इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन, सो आई विल कंटिन्यू विद दोस क्वेश्चंस. सो दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन. आई थिंक वो रियान लिमिटेड क्वेश्चन जो था स्टडी मटेरियल का, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट क्वेश्चन मिनिमम 2 टाइम्स बिकॉज टुडे 7 तक ठीक है. ये 7-8 कर लेंगे एंड 2 क्वेश्चंस के बाद आई विल लीव यू हैव टू वॉच प्रीवियस सेशंस. इसलिए मैं छोड़ रहा हूं क्योंकि 3 दिन में सेशंस कंप्लीट करना है. संडे को वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू. प्लीज टेल मी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर्स का लिस्ट टिल संडे. इट्स रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू, प्लीज टिल संडे complete your all sessions of cash flow statement. If you are finding any question difficult, you want to solve any practice question, तो आप मुझे बता देना. सो नहीं तो 5 नंबर का कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट कंप्लीट कर लेना. ये बैच में थोड़ा सा मुझे पता है फास्ट हुआ है. यस बेटा, डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट मेथड दोनों का. ज्योति, हर्षित, यस बेटा वही क्वेश्चन. ओके, 6 वाला रियान लिमिटेड का दोनों से प्रैक्टिस करना वो क्वेश्चन का. कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट ग्रिप चाहिए आप लोगों को एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दैट क्वेश्चन एज अ रिवीजन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 हम लोग नेक्स्ट बैच में रिवीजन, नेक्स्ट इसमें रिवीजन करवा देता हूं आपकी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. सो 7 नंबर और 8 नंबर प्लीज घर पे ट्राई करना ही है. क्वेश्चन 4 था क्या? November 13. चलो स्टार्ट. सूर्या लिमिटेड has provided you the following particulars. Prepare cash flow statement operating activity by indirect method. Okay sir, indirect method से cash flow statement बना दे. By operating profit before depreciation, by profit on sale of investment, by refund of tax, by insurance claim, major fire settlement, to depreciation, to patents return of provision for tax. I don't understand कि ये क्या है. ICAI ने डायरेक्टली आपको आंसर ही दिया यार. ट्रांसफर टू रिजर्व्स एंड देन नेट प्रॉफिट. ये क्या था? ये कितने मार्क्स को था? 8 मार्क्स. नवंबर 2013. अरे बाप रे. So what is the first thing when you are solving indirect method beta? Tell me if current asset is increasing. अच्छा, संडे को मॉर्निंग में लेक्चर है, ठीक है, मॉर्निंग में ले लेता हूं ना बेटा. करंट एसेट इज इंक्रीजिंग, करंट लाइबिलिटी इज डिक्रीजिंग. मॉर्निंग में सेशन है क्या? ओके, सो मॉर्निंग में, सो यू हैव 1 more डे टू कंप्लीट दिस सेशंस. करंट एसेट्स, current assets increasing, current liability decreasing. See, current asset increasing और current liability decreasing, inflow और outflow बेटा जल्दी से बताओ. Yes, this is outflow or inflow. इसको बोलते हैं outflow. And current asset decreasing and current liability increasing, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, inflow. Inflow. ठीक है? So write down this current asset increasing and current liability decreasing. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Outflow और inflow? Outflow. Yes. Now here stock 40,000 से increase हुआ तो outflow. Okay. Next one. Next one बेटा. ट्रेड डेटर्स भी बढ़ गए बेटा. 67,500. क्रेडिटर्स इंक्रीजिंग बेटा. सो इनफ्लो 87,525. 63,790. प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स को बेटा we prepare income tax account. We prepare income tax account. So income tax account, you can write on there, beta account, mandatory account because we have income tax paid. Prepaid expenses 15,325, 12,475. Beta decreasing means it's inflow 2,850. Marketable security and this one will be in cash and cash equivalent. एक ही मिनट बेटा. हाँ. So बेटा all these items will be added back and all these three will be deducted. All these three will be deducted and then yes, let's start. Income tax account just we have to prepare. चलो लिखो. Write down cash flow from operating activity. This is only cash flow from operating activity. Serial number, particulars, rupees. Net profit. Yes, beta, what is net profit given? 8,08,900. Add back. Add back depreciation. All these items we have to add back. Depreciation, why? Now I will tell you the logic of adding back. It is non-cash item. That's why we are adding back. Patents written off is also non-cash. Provision for account tax, we will prepare account for this. Proposed dividend is a financing item. Financing item. So we don't want it in the operating item. So we are adding back. Transfer to resource is P&L appropriation item. Transfer to resource is P&L appropriation item. So we are adding it back. Okay, so where to reach operating accrued profit? Where to reach operating accrued profit? So this is actually given in the question. I don't know, I say why it wants the answer in the such way, but it's okay. Profit on sale of investment, it's an investing item profit. So we have to deduct it. Refund of tax separated. So investing activity, refund of tax also. And uh, your insurance claim, it's an abnormal item, so we will less it. Okay, so abnormal item, separate line item, extraordinary item for fire settlement. So we have separate head. So these are some reasons why we are adding back and deducting it. If you watch my session in simple language, it is nothing but it is an adjusted P&L account, and you are going to receive the answer 11,01,600 only. आपको कितना आंसर मिलने वाला है? 11,01,600. बट आईसीआई वांट्स कि ये पूरा का पूरा आपको प्रेजेंटेशन में लिखना है. So ICAI is giving you this 8 marks only if you write this in proper way. So you have to start with the net profit. Okay. And I have given you reasons for adding back and deducting it. If you watch my latest sessions, you will understand. We are net profit से आप लोग कैलकुलेट करोगे ऑपरेटिंग एक्रूड प्रॉफिट और उसके बाद ऑपरेटिंग कैश प्रॉफिट, वो एडलेस करके करंट एसेट माइनस करंट लाइबिलिटीज को एडजस्ट करके आप लोग क्या निकालोगे? ऑपरेटिंग कैश प्रॉफिट. इतना याद रखिए, इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल. सो नेट प्रॉफिट चलो निकाला. डेप्रिसिएशन एड बैक 86,700. Next, patents written off. Patents written off. I hope you have question. मेरे पास तो है question, so I will copy it from there only. 35,000. Then add back provision for income tax. $1,25,000. Proposed dividend 72,000. Transfer to reserve 87,000. Less profit on sale of investment less 10,000. Refund of tax less 3,000. And insurance claim 1 lakh. So this is called as operating profit before working capital changes. OPBWCC. Operating profit before working capital changes. OPBWCC. OPBWCC. No need to calculate. ICAI is already given you. What is the answer? In that P&L statement, you can find out 11,01,600. Here only you will get this. 11,01,600. Okay. Now, adjustments for working capital. Already written, na beta? Increase in stock. Increase in stock and increase in debtors. $40,000. 67,500. Increase in creditors. 63,790. Decrease in prepaid expense. Two eight five zero. 2850. Okay. Like PGBP. Yes, beta. Next. So this is called as cash generated from operations. Cash generated from operations 11,01,600 minus 40,000 minus 67,500 plus 63,790 plus 2850. 1,06,000, sorry, 10 lakh 60,740. 10,60,740. Less income tax paid, working note 1. Cash flow before extraordinary activity. Then beta insurance claim received. What is the insurance claim received beta? You received separate line item na 1 lakh inflow, and this is net cash flow from operating activity. Net cash flow from operating activity. Now only income tax account, working note 1. Below that, income tax account. See, what is the provision? 1,18,775 and 1,25,000. So by payable to payable. 1,18,775, 1,25,000. By P&L. बेटा P&L में कितना था? This is called as accrued. This is called as accrued. 1,25,000. And what is refund beta? By cash, in bracket refund. Cash comes in. So refund is new item. By cash refund 3,000. So what is to cash? Balancing figure. Yes, calculate it. What is the answer beta? 121,775. ऐसे है ना बेटा, यह आंसर गलत कर दिया है और मैं इसका एक रिक्वेस्ट आज ही भेज दूंगा. इधर 1115775 हुआ है. सो यहां पे गलती हुआ है. सो आंसर मस्ट बी 121,775. रिफंड लेस कर दिया. अकाउंट बनाया रहता ना, अकाउंट बनाया रहता तो ये दिक्कत नहीं था. अकाउंट ना बनाने की वजह से ये हुआ। इसलिए संकेत सर हमेशा बोलते अकाउंट बनाओ। अकाउंट बनाया रहता ना तो इतना दिक्कत नहीं आया रहता। सो ऐसे आंसर इज रॉन्ग। 121,775 ये आंसर होना चाहिए था। रिफंड आने के पहले आपके जेब से 121,775 गया है और आईसीआई ने इधर 3,000 को डिडक्ट कर दिया। इसलिए अकाउंट बनाओ, अकाउंट कभी धोखा नहीं देगा। सो 121,775 इज इनकम टैक्स पेड। इंश्योरेंस क्लेम रिसीव्ड के सामने 1 लाख। सो इधर आईसीआई ने रिफंड को माइनस कर दिया था वो आंसर में 938,965। सो प्लीज रेक्टिफाई द आंसर 10,38,965। गॉट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट? देखो आईसीआई का गलत था। अकाउंट बनाओ, अकाउंट। सो 121,775। इसलिए अकाउंट बनाओ, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूं धोखा नहीं देगा अकाउंट्स। करेक्ट है? आलोक बोल रहे हैं अकाउंट वाला मेथड इजी है। वेरी गुड आलोक। सो आई हैव गिवन यू आंसर एज पर आईसीआई, बट दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर। तो 2013 में आंसर में भी गलती था, पर ठीक है, अभी वी विल रेक्टिफाई इट। 2017 बेटा 12 मार्क का क्वेश्चन था। 12 मार्क का क्वेश्चन। चलो रीड इट केयरफुली, ट्राई टू गेट द आंसर, एड और लेस करके एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू राइट इधर कौन सा इसमें कौन सी एक्टिविटी जाएगा। आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जैक्टली 8 मिनट्स फॉर थिंकिंग। थिंकिंग के लिए मैं 8 मिनट्स देता हूं। सो प्लीज ट्राई टू थिंक। सो आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू थिंक आफ्टर 8 मिनट्स। तो 8 मिनट के बाद वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, पर 8 मिनट के बाद हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे। चलो, सो आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जैक्टली 8 मिनट्स for thinking. I don't want to tell you directly the answer. So you have exactly 8 minutes. Those who are watching only recorded lectures, yes beta, you can skip this session of 8 minutes. हाँ, आगे आगे जाइए, आप थिंकिंग मत करो, आप सिर्फ रिकॉर्डेड देखते रहो और लाइव वाले थिंकिंग करेंगे 8 मिनट के लिए। चलो स्टार्ट थिंकिंग। थिंक मतलब क्या, कौन सी एक्टिविटी क्या जाएगा, कहां पे जाएगा, दैट यू हैव टू टेल मी। Okay. So now I will tell you how to solve this question. ओके चलो अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आज का, ध्यान देके सुनना. इट्स अ लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे, सो प्लीज फोकस. इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल, सी देयर इज नो एडजस्टमेंट. सो फर्स्ट विल डू द एडजस्टमेंट्स को स्टार मार्क. डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन बिल्डिंग, सो बिल्डिंग को स्टार मार्क. डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन फर्नीचर एंड फिक्सचर, स्टार मार्क. Depreciation on car, star mark. And investment, star mark. बेटा इनकम टैक्स पेबल स्टार मार्क, प्रपोज डिविडेंड स्टार मार्क. ठीक है, कंपल्सरी, दिस इज मैंडेटरी. सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर अकाउंट. इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल बेटा 1 लाख का 1,20,000 मीन्स 20,000 फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में. This is current year, this is last year. So inflow. Profit and loss account 1,000 is the profit during the year. Difference is profit during the year. Trade payable बेटा 3,000 से increase हुआ. So inflow. इनकम टैक्स एंड प्रपोज डिविडेंड अकाउंट है, बिल्डिंग अकाउंट, फर्नीचर अकाउंट, कार अकाउंट, लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट. 6,000 बेटा इन्वेंटरी इंक्रीज, इट्स आउटफ्लो, ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी. ट्रेड रिसीवेबल बेटा 2,000 आउटफ्लो. एंड एट द एंड 17,000 का 12,000 मीन्स डिक्रीज इन कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट. Income tax and proposed dividend, we are going to prepare account. Return profit. Okay. Chalo. So write down answer. Please have question in front of you. 12 mark का question है. Write down. Harry Limited. Cash flow statement for the year ended 31st March 2017. Serial number, particulars, rupees. A, cash flow from operating activities. Net profit, add oblique less. After 5 lines beta, after 5-6 lines, operating profit before working capital changes. Operating profit before working capital changes. Adjustments, 5 lines. Cash generated from operations less income tax paid. Net cash flow from operating activities. B, cash flow from investing activity. C, cash flow from financing activities. After 4 lines, D, net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent. E, cash and cash equivalent at the beginning. F, cash and cash equivalent at the end. वर्किंग नोट 1, चलो ये स्टेटमेंट हो गया. नाउ स्टार मार्क्स बेटा. वर्किंग नोट 1, इनकम टैक्स अकाउंट, लाइन बाय लाइन. वर्किंग नोट 2, डिविडेंड अकाउंट. वर्किंग नोट 3, बिल्डिंग. 5 लाइन्स के अकाउंट बनाओ. वर्किंग नोट 4, फर्नीचर. वर्किंग नोट 5, कार अकाउंट. वर्किंग नोट 6, इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट. ड्रॉ फॉर्मेट बेटा. फॉर्मेट ड्रॉ कीजिए. रेडी. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल, लाइन बाय लाइन बेटा, क्वेश्चन से आंसर में. इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल, सबसे पहला आइटम इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल. फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी बेटा. इशू ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स. इशू ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स 20,000. नेट प्रॉफिट और रिटेन अर्निंग्स. नेट प्रॉफिट से ज्यादा retained earnings. Don't write net profit, retained earnings. Now this is a difference. 1,000, 8,000 ka 9,000. Trade payable, adjustment, increase in trade payable. लाइन बाय लाइन जाना है. इंक्रीज इन ट्रेड पेबल 3,000. इनकम टैक्स पेबल बेटा अकाउंट बनाया हमने. सो बाय पेबल टू पेबल, बाय पेबल टू पेबल, बाय P&L and to cash. Same pro forma for dividend, by payable to payable to cash by P&L. You already aware about these pro formas. So by payable kitna? 2,3 and 2,4. Income tax 2,3, dividend 2,4. Easy है. Building over na. हाँ. Building 2 balance brought down. We will write first pro forma of all these. By balance carried down. पहले pro forma लिख लेते हैं. 2 balance brought down. By balance carried down. Car 2 balance brought down. By balance carried down. 2 balance brought down. By balance carried down. Okay. Chalo, start. Building 19,000, 20,000. Furniture 34,000, 22,000. Car 25,000, 16,000. And investment 32,000. ए उल्टा लिखा यार मैंने पूरा. सॉरी 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 सॉरी, मेरा पूरा उल्टा हो गया. शिट, इसने बोला नहीं. पहले लास्ट ईयर था यार, सभी अकाउंट्स गलत हो गए. सर बैलेंस गलत हो गए. सबके बैलेंस गलत हो गए क्या? 5, 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4 बराबर लिखा ना. हाँ सॉरी, बिल्डिंग का गलत हो गया. सॉरी. 20,000, 19,000 उल्टा हो गया पूरा. 22, 34. फोकस फोकस. 16, 25. Investment 28, 32. Now increase in inventory 6,000. And increase in trade receivable increase in receivables 2,000 negative. Cash and cash equivalent 17,000 and 12,000. So correct answer is negative 5,000. Okay. Now two effects. Balance sheet beta over. Now two effects. Income tax. Income tax, one effect, add income tax 3,000, and by P&L 3,000. Dividend 4,000, add dividend 4,000. Depreciation. Building 1,000. Now adjustments beta. Adjustments. Building depreciation, furniture 2,000, and बेटा उसी के नीचे कार 5,000. So by depreciation, building second effect account में 2,000, building 1,000, sorry, building 1,000, furniture by depre 2,000, and car में by depre 5,000. One car disposed during the year by cash 3,400, and profit because written down value you can check here 3,400 selling price and book value 2,000, so 1,400 profit. Profit on sale 1,400. So beta buy cash, investing activity, sale of car 3,400, and less profit on sale of car, but less profit on sale of car is 1,400. Purchase investment 6,000. Investment to cash. And buy cash 10,000, and to profit on sale, beta 10 minus 2, 8,000. Purchase of investment 6,000. Sale of investment 10,000, and less profit on sale of investment, less 8,000. Over. चलो अब accounts line by line. Income tax account 2,000 to cash. To cash 2,000 balancing figure. To cash 2,000. Dividend paid, financing activity 2,000. Building tally Building tally. Furniture to cash 36 minus 22. 36 minus 22. 14,000. Furniture. Investing activity. Purchase of furniture. 14,000. Yes. Car. Five plus 3.4 plus 25. 33,400. To cash 16,000. Balancing figure to cash 16,000. Purchase of car ब्रैकेट में 16,000. आउटफ्लो 42. 42. Investment tally. Now you can record this. Operating profit before working capital changes 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus again 1 plus 2 plus 5 minus 1.4 minus 8. 6,600. 1,600. 400 negative. 22,600 negative. 18,000 positive. These are in the outer column, beta. 5,000, 17,000 and 12,000. So we have completed this in 20 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this session. अच्छे से समझ में आया क्या आपको ये? यस बेटा, इनडायरेक्ट मेथड इजी था. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. नो ऑप्शन, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. सो आज प्रैक्टिस कीजिए अच्छे से. कल हम लोग मिलेंगे वापस से. मजा आया आपके साथ आज सॉल्विंग में. इनडायरेक्ट मेथड ऑन संडे. अभी इनडायरेक्ट मेथड हम लोग संडे को कंप्लीट करते हैं. सो टुडे सेशन ओवर. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.